Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukia's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make 3 types of Ramadan snacks. The first one is going to be Mitai recipe, and the 2 others are going to be 2 types of sweet dumplings known as Kaimati in Kiswahili. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. So the first recipe is going to be mini donuts known as Mitai in Kiswahili. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 2 cups of wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 2 tablespoons of butter or Blue Band, a half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, and lastly 1 cup of warm water. In a bowl which has the flour, start by adding 1 tablespoon of yeast, followed by a half a teaspoon of cardamom, 2 tablespoons of sugar optional, and 2 tablespoons of butter or Blue Band, and mix everything well. Lastly, pour some warm milk. Pour a bit by a bit while mixing till the flour is well combined. I use approximately 3/4 cup of milk. Once you've poured 3/4 cup of warm milk, your dough has to be like this. It doesn't have to be too soft or too hard. It has to be in between. Once you're done kneading the dough, divide the dough into 2. Afterwards, take one dough at a time, sprinkle some flour, and roll the dough into a thick circle. When you're rolling the dough, make sure you don't roll it so thin like chapati. It has to be a bit thick. Once you're done rolling the dough, cut it vertically and shape the mitai in a diamond shape, or you can shape them any way you want. Once you're done shaping the mitai, place them in a warm place and cover them for approximately 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we're going to make our syrup. In a medium pot, start by adding 1 cup of sugar and a half a cup of water and let it cook till sticky. It took me about 15 to 20 minutes till my syrup became sticky like this, and when ready, remove it from the fire and place aside. After 20 minutes, our mitai have double size. Then it's high time to fry them in the oil. In a large pot, pour some oil and let the oil to heat up. Once the oil is a bit hot, add the mitai one at a time and cook them in a medium-low heat so that the mitai can cook inside. Once the mitai starts to puff out, flip on the other side and cook them till light brown. Once all the mitais have this amazing light brown color, remove them from the oil and place them aside. Then it's high time to cut our mitai. Place a large pot on a medium-low heat and add all the mitais and the syrup and mix them till the syrup dries with the mitais. Once all the mitais have beautifully coated with the syrup, then place them in a bowl. And our soft mitais are ready. As you can see in the video, these are so delicious. Serve along with a cup of tea and enjoy your mitais. Our second recipe, I'm going to show you how to make sweet dumplings known as Kaimati in Kiswahili. Today I'll be showing you the easiest way on how to make these fried sweet dumplings known as Kaimati in Swahili. I know so many of people are struggling to make these shapes, but today I'm going to show you the easiest technique on how to make these dumplings. So stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. On a medium bowl, add 1 cup of wheat flour, followed by a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of yeast, and mix all the dry ingredients. Then add 1 tablespoon of yogurt and 1 tablespoon of ghee and mix well. Then pour a 3/4 cup of water a bit by a bit while mixing till you have a thick paste. Your batter paste has to be like this, and cover it for at least 20 to 30 minutes so that the batter can double size. Once the mixture has rise, take a plastic bag and put the batter in and tie it. Then you'll make a small hole. Make sure the hole is not too big. Then afterwards we will make some syrup. In a small pot, add 1 cup of sugar, 3/4 cup of water and a teaspoon of cardamom, and let the sugar boil till it starts to stick. Your syrup has to be like this, then remove the syrup from the fire to let it cool completely. Then we are going to fry our dumplings. Make sure the oil is not too hot because the dumplings will be too dark and that's not good. Fry the dumplings in a low heat. Squeeze out the dumplings as you can see in the video. Then afterwards, take your frying spoon, shuffle them around so that they can cook evenly to have a nice golden color. And when your dumplings have a nice golden brown color, remove them from the oil and put them aside. Then we are going to mix our dumplings in the syrup. Put the dumplings in a bowl and add the syrup. Make sure the syrup has completely cooled down before pouring the syrup into the dumplings and mix them very well. Once they are evenly coated with the syrup, place them on a plate so that they can dry fast. And your fried sweet dumplings are ready, as you can see in the video. They are very soft and very delicious. And enjoy your dumplings. In our last recipe, I'm going to show you the second technique on how to make sweet dumplings. So first step, I will activate 2 tablespoons of yeast with coconut milk so it can rise. Stir a bit and cover for at least 5 minutes. In a medium-large bowl, add 2 cups of wheat flour, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of oil, and sugar 1 tablespoon, and mix well. Then you will add your activated yeast and continue mixing. Then lastly, add 1 1/4 cup of coconut milk. I used 1 cup of thick coconut milk plus a 1/4 cup of water. Pour the coconut milk slowly by slowly while mixing using your hands. It's much easier till your batter becomes thick. Continue mixing your batter very nice, as you can see in the video, till everything is well mixed. Your batter has to be thick like this, and your batter consistency is ready. Cover it and place on a warm place so that the batter can rise approximately 30 minutes to 1 hour. After 1 hour, my batter has risen like it's supposed to be. Mix it once more and it's high time to deep fry the dumplings. Put some oil in a pan and let it heat up in a medium heat. Shape your dumplings using this method, or you can use a spoon or a machine, any method you prefer. Dip them in the oil and cook them in a low-medium heat till golden brown. Shuffle your dumplings on both sides so they can have an amazing golden brown color. And once your dumplings have this amazing golden brown color, your dumplings are ready. Remove them from the oil and place on a plate or a bowl. Then afterwards, we will make some syrup. In a pot, add 1 cup of sugar, a half cup of water, and cardamom, and bring it to boil till it's less and starts to stick. Your syrup has to stick like this, and your syrup is ready. Take a large pot, place on a medium heat, add the dumplings and the hot syrup, and mix them till the syrup dries with the dumplings. Continue mixing the dumplings as you can see in the video, slowly by slowly while the pot is on fire till the syrup dries with the dumplings. The syrup has to dry with the dumplings like this, and your sweet dumplings are ready. Remove them and place on a large plate or a bowl. And my soft, delicious sweet dumplings are ready as you can see in the video. Serve on a plate and you can eat along with coffee or tea and enjoy your sweet dumplings. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.